Hey nail fam, hope that you guys are doing well. It's your girl Diabella back again with another video. So I wanted to quickly swatch some new gels that I received from GLOWTIPS. These are the previous colors from my previous collection. Most of these, I would say that these were sent over to me to PR. Some of these I did purchase and I did not get a chance to swatch them. These ones I purchased over the Christmas season. I had meant to do a bunch of Christmas nail designs with them. So I think I used Silver Bells. Which is that goldy kind of silvery kind of, oh, it's so pretty. These glitters are so pretty. But I'm gonna be swatching these anyway. This is the one I think I used over the holidays. Stunning, absolutely stunning. So we're just gonna put these to the side. We're gonna be swatching them. I don't think I'll swatch specifically them on camera, but I want to focus on the new collection, the Neutral Necessities, that was launched by GLOWTIPS. If you've never heard of GLOWTIPS and this is your first time ever watching any of my videos, they are a UK-based gel polish, polygel brand, and their products are absolutely stunning. And she's come out with the Neutral Necessities. I could not wait to open up the boxes and look at the colors. I had to look at them. So what I'm going to show you is all of the colors that she's sent me. Not all, I think solid white. Here's a funny thing. I went onto the website when they reached out and said they were going to send me over some of the colors for the Neutral Necessities. I'm swatching them side by side again in this video. I just want to point this out. I started to create a list of some of the colors that I'm actually missing from the collection and that I was going to order. I don't know how it happened. I don't know how, and they actually sent me some of the colors that I had on my list that I was going to purchase to complete my other collection that I have. So they sent me the Neutral Necessities collection as well as some of the colors that I was missing. And I am forever grateful to brands that just know, like, how do they know what I'm missing? I mean, obviously, maybe they have like a list of what they've sent me. Anyway, so I'm opening up all of the colors that's in the Neutral Necessities collection and some of the other colors that were from previous collection. As far as I'm aware, there are 4 collections. I know there was a nude mood. There was a Sweet Escape, which is the pastel collection, and there was a garden collection as well that had a mixture of, primary colors in it. And the colors in this Neutral Necessities collections are a abstract nail artist dream. The colors just are perfect and they complement a nude mood I think that was the most recent collection that came out. It had all of the beautiful hues of brown. And then previously before that, we had this the pastel collection, Sweet Candy, I think it was. And that was bright colors. And so now we have these colors that are a bit more muted, a bit more classic, a bit more for the girl that works in the bank or the girl that works in back office and she can't really wear anything pastel. You know what I mean? These colors are absolutely stunning. And the pigmentation, 1 coat coverage, I kid you not. Again, on short nails, 1 coat coverage. You can almost get away with 1 coat coverage on long nails. So the swatches that I'm showing you on the next screen, side by side, most of them are when I just applied the gel polish and before I cured them. I think I forgot maybe 1 color that you won't be able to see. But anyway, overall, I absolutely love this collection. And this is a small business brand that I have mentioned before that I feel definitely could use more support and more sales. They go above and beyond, tell these stories to kind of create a nice storyline for each of their collection. If you aren't following them already on Instagram, I'll have their Instagram linked below, and I'll also have their YouTube channel linked below. They're also on TikTok as well. Listen, like, you ever see a brand that is just doing everything right? They're doing the marketing, the social media. The products are amazing. The bottles, the packaging is absolutely stunning. And you just wish that they would just blow up. Like people would just, run to them and just have them sold out so quickly, Just one of those brands. I feel like their moment is definitely going to come. And I hope people like myself and other persons help to promote the brand, which is what I will be doing anyway. I love these colors. I love the bottles as well. All right, so the majority of this video, I'm not going to be talking, to your relief. It is opening up these bottles and showing you the swatches. I will definitely be doing some creative content, creating some nail designs with the colors that's in this collection. And I will most likely, they're going to be Instagram reels perhaps, or TikTok videos. I will do maybe a few long form videos here on YouTube just to show you how easy it is to do abstract nail art, which I feel these are perfect for, or even spring nails as well, tying in some of that sweet candy collection. So again, guys, if you are interested in any of the products that I am showing you, or more products that's on their website, like their polygel is creme de la creme. They have the perfect nude polygel. I don't care what nobody says. There's this one specific polygel, or two. One is mocha, I think. I'm rambling just a little bit. But the mocha one, from the gods, best on the planet. Trust me on that. Okay, let me be quiet for my mouth, for my throat gets more sore than it already is. GLOWTIPS, thank you so much for sending me these amazing gel polishes. I wish your business nothing but success. I'm very happy to be a part of the GLOWTIPS family, and I have some amazing nail art and content coming up very soon, sharing these amazing polishes to you guys. All right, continue watching, guys. I just have a few more gel polishes to go, and then we will be done. Oh, sorry, baby cakes from the gods. This is one of my favorite. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my god, is look at it. Absolutely stunning color. Okay, I can be quiet now, sorry. Okay, I think this is the last gel polish here. This one's called Fear Not, and it's giving a soft purple gray kind of color. Is so pretty in person. Like, you have to see the colors in person to actually really appreciate it. I absolutely loved it. Absolutely stunning. Excuse my voice, guys. So I had a few other ones, and I wanted to put them side by side to kind of see what the difference is. Like, some is warm. Like with her gels, there's a warm, a cool, and a neutral. I think this is the only brand that I've ever seen do that, you know, like with foundation, with makeup, they do that. They try to figure out, do you have a warm undertone to your skin? And I've never thought of, you know, gel polishes in the same manner until I came across GLOWTIPS. I think they're the only brand that does that. So you should know a certain shade actually goes best for a certain skin tone. Okay, so she did send me a few other new products that she launched. These are her metallic line art paints, pink gels, I think these are called. And then there's also a solid kind of 3D kind of a gel here. So you can pick this up, shape it into whatever you want to shape it into. And then you can put that nail art onto your nail. And this has actually been pretty trendy lately. Like I've seen a lot of nail artists. I've just watched a video with Nails by Dev earlier this morning, and she was using some of this. Well, not this particular brand, not from GLOWTIPS, but this type of product to create little 3D charm on her nail. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so the next product here is the gold gel paint, and oh my goodness, this is from the gods. Like I cannot wait. She came up with the gold, and she also came up with the silver. And by she, I mean GLOWTIPS. So you're going to be able to do some really fun nail art using these gel paints. And they were super, super pigmented. Now this one here, it had the cap of a silver gel paint. Unfortunately, though, I think it might have been the wrong cap, because this actually turned out to be another 3D crystal gel, the molding one. So I didn't get the silver thing, but you know, I'm gonna go back and see what I'm still missing anyway, because I'm gonna go back and place another order. So I'll definitely get it, because I definitely want to have the silver in my collection. So I just think maybe the cap got mixed up or something like that, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. You can never not have enough of this 3D gel anyway. So we're gonna have twice as much fun creating 3D nail art with the crystal gel. All right, so here's a final look of all of the Neutral Necessities colors, along with a few extra colors that I think may not be in the collection. It's just some colors on the website. How beautiful are they? Now, this is the nude mood, and I was like, you know, my swatch stick's a little off, because I had some of the coffin swatch sticks, and I was like, you know what, let me swatch all of them. So I actually sat here for a couple hours and I swatched all of the colors, and then I organized the swatches by numbers, because her gel balls just go by numbers. So here is all of them next to each other. How beautiful are they? Absolutely gorgeous. Hope you guys enjoyed this swatch video. Definitely stay tuned for some nail art videos coming up. Thank you so much again to GLOWTIPS. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.